Alright, so you're currently using Discord, right? And you want to disable all notification sounds on your Discord. Let me walk you through the steps to disable all sound on Discord, and so you won't be annoyed or won't be disturbed by any notification sounds anymore. Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I'm going to walk you through within a few clicks how to disable all notification sounds on your Discord. So once you sign into Discord, look for the user settings here on the lower left hand side. And on the left hand side again, you want to scroll down and find notifications and click on it. Then you want to scroll down, guys, and you will find a section that says sound. And guess what? There's an option there to disable all notification sounds. You can go ahead and just simply toggle it on. And once you toggle it on, it's going to disable all of these sounds. Look at the amount of sounds that are there. You can always go ahead and just either do one by one, but you can just do with one click and disable all. And you can look now that it disable all of those sounds here, right? So if this is what you're looking for, then just go ahead and toggle that option on to disable all sounds. And that's it, guys.